Very good mornings, everyone. So, this is first session. We're starting from this Monday. We will analyze this chart. So, which are a good weekly narrows. We'll find one best token for trade entire week. Okay, and after this, we'll continue candlestick pattern. If somebody is interested, they can continue. Okay. So first, like uh, morning, the power friend, he selected these tokens, right? The same chart I took, and we'll try to see which will be the best here. And I already posted in Discord. You can check there. So if you are new, please go to Discord and I'll show you guys. Okay, you can look. You can look here. Already I posted here. You can see the promote trading, right? Already I posted two charts. Okay. Here. Okay, I'll be updating every day, or one day, like maybe again I'll update today, end of the day. For me, I'll update. Okay, just you follow these two tokens, and we'll try to see some other tokens also. The first is this. So here we have a super narrow. Okay, and if I see overall trend, like we'll start from daily time frame. See, this is a downtrend. It's very clear. This is the downtrend. Correct, and we got a breakout of even this. You can see we got a breakout this. Okay, now this is confirm this. Yes, this is a downtrend. So when we go to the H4 4 hours, okay, when we'll go to the 4 hours to find the trade. So now, so what we are seeing these two like this recently. This is a Saturday Sunday. So usually on those days we don't see a good volume. So we should wait either to make any a pattern for a short positions. Correct. So now we are using 1 hour a weekly trend index to identify the trend. Now this is a super narrow trend index. Now how to take the trades here? See, we have only a one opportunity here to look at short positions. See, I'll just close this indicator. See, now this is our neckline, which you're seeing this area. Correct. So we'll mark one zone here. Yeah, we can use this. Okay, now this is a narrow, super narrow trend X. There will be high chances market can be a more volatile this week, correct? So we will wait for a breakout this area. Again, after retest, we will go for a short positions. Remember, so first we'll mark this zone because this is our recent low. Okay, this is a recent low. 1 second. Yeah, this. We'll wait, come drop like this. It has to break a previous low, and after retest, we will try for a short positions. Okay, now just we look where are the 200. Yes, we are below even 200 also. Correct. And I like last week I told you market should be a sideways previous week. You should remember always that. Now you can see we have a move here. Correct. On this basis, I have selected other tokens. I'm just giving you roughly where are the zones for a current day, current week. Okay, this I'll update if any if I see any changes. So my token which I posted this. So see this why I marked these, 1 second. Yeah, why I marked these zones. See, we can see clearly we got a breakout at this area, correct? So after that, it came for a retest and we got a bullish hammer and it started continue. So now, which is again one more zone. Now this is our one more zone to take a entry a point. But here we didn't get any confirmation. Just you can see it drop. And this was again weekends. Now this is the area we can look a long positions, or after breakout we can continue short positions, because we cannot take short positions somewhere here. Correct? Either we should wait for a breakout. So now I'll just show the trend X. See, this is a super a weekly narrow. Correct. So for that reason, I say we will wait for a 1 day, like today. Tomorrow we will get a clear picture. So what can be the next move? So I suggest everyone, if you are new for a trend X or market, will wait, because we will get a very good direction. So we'll understand. Okay, market. We will look at short positions in maybe from tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday. Correct. First day always it will be a confusion, which I saw. See, now slowly candles are coming down. We'll wait. We'll wait. Yes, we'll get. And remember, we have see what usually I see the weekly targets, right? If I see these measures, its distance is too far. But the previous and all, if I see only analyzes, so I can see this very clearly. I didn't take any a major resistance here. I just add one a line, but that's it. Let's see what will happen. We'll wait. So again, this one. See, this is the same exactly the previous what I showed you. If I show the trend X, this is a superb narrow. We can see only a one line here. Now we need a patience. We'll wait. If candles closing below this, maybe tomorrow we'll get a clear direction to take a short positions. If it close above this level, tomorrow we will continue long positions. Correct? We'll get 1 day. That's it. Today. We'll wait. Yeah. Sometimes after crossing this, maybe it can reach here. It's possible. But as a technical trader, always I wait for a breakout and retest like this. This is a very important for me. I'll wait. The daily trend X will help you. Don't worry. The daily focus only on daily trend X. I'll just show you this gold. Okay, just show you. See, candles are above weekly, and this was the trade. Sorry, this is a dragonfly doji. If candles are coming here, then I was maybe I was looking along positions, but when the candles were coming down, I thought, okay, let it come here. Later we'll see. So after 1 hour, I saw this. So now when I came here, I saw, see, it's so nice. See, market went up. I usually tell always to wait for a retest. So now see, this is the retest and this is the confirmation. If it's going continue hitting the target, I don't say that this is the good trade, but this is the good trade. Here I'll get more confidence to take the trade. I'll keep my stop loss below this or below center pivot. And just you see how the dragonfly took the targets. Amazing, right? I really missed this trade. And I was closing 60, 70%. I was holding with the break even. Let it go where it will go. I'll definitely I'll wait for my weekly targets. See, candlestick, how important you can see this. So same thing, my point to show this same thing here. Always we should wait for a retest. Correct? Because that is how we should trade. See, I see this previous week was a white trend. See, so beautifully retest. Okay, see, now this is the breakout zone, correct? We got a breakout this area. You see exactly retest, right? Just see this retest, and you can see it made a new high. The no point to jump trade here. This is when it retest, you will get more confidence to keep a stop loss. Yes, this is my entry and this is my stop loss. There will be a proper setup. We can make a proper setup there. Every time when you'll get breakout, a retest is important. Okay, always remember a retest is very important. So now we will wait for even this token also. And which I post, I'll tell you this Gala USDT. See, again here also. We don't have any good zone to mark here. So I just mark like this. Until candle will not close above this, then we cannot take any long positions. There are more chances it'll play here. Maybe it can come down or it will break out. Then we'll go for a. So today maybe see all depends where market is closing today. Okay, I'll share this immediately today itself. My timing, you can look, guys. My timing is now 12:47 p.m. Right? So maybe 1 a.m. or 2 a.m. I'll just post the a chart. This chart I'll post it. So I can say that, yeah, this is how market has closed. We can do a long or short positions according how market will close today. Okay, and this, let me come back to this chart. BTC USD. So this is the area to look a long positions. Again, see, we got a breakout. Here we have to mark the zone. Why? See, if I mark this zone, this, but candles came back and took a resistance support from this area, correct? Now, why did it took a support from this area? So just we went back and we add. So this was the area. So market was this. So we can say this was the a trap to take a stop loss or whatever. The actually zone now for this, you can look, this is our zone to take a long positions. And when I saw a weekly trend X, we have a same place, a, a center pivot, weekly pivot. If candle is closing below this, then we'll go for a short. We'll wait. How candles will act, we'll see, and we'll wait. Okay, because you know how the market. I'm sorry. Okay, so so everyone, like, we are seeing how the market is behaving. Like it'll fall immediately or it'll go back to the same place. So we'll wait for today. We'll see how the BTC will react these places. Okay, mark these zones in your chart also. Okay, I told you this condition. Why I mark this zone? Why not this? Okay, before going up, it took a support these levels. So when I saw, okay, this was the level. We can say this is the strong level for a week. This week, we'll see how it will react when it comes to this zone. And you should remember one thing. See, I'll just go back to the previous chart. When it comes to price action, right? See, when it comes to price action, there will be not like only two possible. When not only me, somebody posting you these kind of charts, like if it's coming here, we'll take a long positions after retest. If it's breaking this level, we'll go for a short positions. Correct? This is how this mean. So you should remember there will be a one more possible. If candle is coming and if you see any breakouts, there is one more chances, like it can go reverse, and this is also possible. To do not like to not make a confused to trader, we not only me, they don't put too many lines here. You got my point. See, we can put even this also. It'll give fake breakout. Again, it will enter into your zone. They'll travel. They'll manipulate everyone like this. So this is also possible. Always it will be a three types, either up, either down, either this. Correct. This you should be always remember, like I used to tell, this is our zone. Anything can happen here after breakout. After breakout, it possible this pattern also, this also, and this is not possible when we see any breakouts. Okay, be ready for everything. For that reason, I say we'll wait only for a 1 day. Okay. What happened? Okay. So we'll go back to the this. So this I don't see any a trade. I don't want to see any trade here because the previous week was a wide trend X and we got very good move. I think we should avoid these tokens. See, again, it's all uh, my view, my personal view. Okay, it maybe it can go up or down and sideways. But what I think it can be a sideways because we got very good move a previous week. So I didn't post any chart about this and I didn't find any zones here. Okay, and this Sugala we have done this. Even this also same. Started from this level or whatever. Started last week, started from here to here. For that reason, I am not looking any trades here. So after all seeing this, I just selected this. So now it's clear, right? The last week here we got a sideways. Now I am expecting good move here. Let's see what will happen. We have other token also. If not getting any trade, we'll just shift into other tokens. Okay, now if you have any chart, please tell me. Let me see here, guys. BTC. BTC. Okay, sir. I'll just show you the BTC. So I already told you, this is the zone, sir. Now it's taking this level, right? So this. So we'll see. We'll wait for today or any bullish candle here. If you have any chart, please tell me. I'll look at the chart. We'll try to mark any zones. Emer, sir, ma'am, Gordon, sir. API.
You were just
Got a couple of requests for bond. There's one for bond and BOND, I think it is, from Rajinder Pal, and AP13 or API3, super narrow from Matthew. Pendle has narrow from Zora and didn't move last week. Do you want to
Okay.
start? Should we do one of those? Which one should we do first? Bond.
Oh,
Okay. Yeah, first one was bond. Yeah, first one in the chat was bond.
Bond. James Bond.
James Bond. Yeah.
This is 1 second, sir.
Blockbo, I think your answer, you've got your answer for the BTC chart. I think hopefully that's all cleared, that one. Sorry, I'm not following this chat, but hopefully you got that one. Blockbo trader. By the way, Blockbo, I need to post a thank you in the chat for you for coming to the mindset group a couple of a week or so ago. Really valuable. People loved it and loved your insights. So thank you. I'm going to do it publicly. on the Discord chat today. I'm sure it's just been a bit crazy. I thought I'd done it, but then I found I hadn't done it. Blockbow, thank you.
That this is a sideways, sir. I think it's very difficult. You can look. This is sideways from 1 month.
Thanks for that, Mr. P. So
Yeah, sir.
maybe find something else. Rajinder Paul, Matthews API3, A for Alpha, P for Peter, I for Indigo 3. I think
API 3, number 3.
maybe it could be AP1. Yeah, 3, number 3. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah, there you go.
So many tokens are there, sir, here.
Yeah,
Mhm.
I think there's over 50,000 tokens out there.
Wow, 50,000.
I know.
Okay, let me see these tokens, sir. Yeah, this is a downtrend. It looks same. Mhm.
Always look on the bright side of life. Do 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 do. Always look on the bright side of life. Do 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 do
Hmm.
do 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 do.
It's look like same what we saw a previous chart, sir. It's exactly same. So previous chart, what I was seeing, like 1 second, I'll show you this chart. Look, it looks same. 1 second, let me see. Yeah, this chart, maybe API 3 USDT. So 1 second.
It's not even a wide, it's not even a narrow weekly, I don't think, Mr. P, is it? So from what I can tell, oh, it is a very narrow. Sorry, I'm sorry, just looking at the wrong
Yeah,
one.
no, this is
Very
super.
narrow weekly.
Yeah,
Super
super
narrow.
narrow. Yeah,
Super
super.
narrow. Yeah.
This is the previous like recent low, but we should wait, sir. I really we should wait here. See, now the trend is downtrend. Yes, no doubt the trend is down, but we'll wait for this. Wait. Um, See now, this is the problem, sir. We can see this move, right? I'll post this, sir. If I find something, I'll keep alert here. Okay, I'll keep alert. If I see something, I'll post it.
Pramod,
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you, Pramod.
yeah,
can
no
you
problem.
go back to tier, please? Because something's happening there
Okay.
in the last 2 minutes. See that green? How do you
Yeah.
analyze that?
This
It was not
candle,
fake. Yeah, that just, you're looking at the 1 hour, go
correct.
5 minutes. It's done a 2.5% just in 10 minutes.
Wow.
Is that fake out? How do you see it?
No, now, so
Broken the barrier.
yes,
I had a
yes.
barrier, it broke that.
So we this 1 hour we have 30 minutes to close, sir. Still closing. Let's close this. If it's closed this way, then this is a bullish engulf, right?
Yeah.
So we can plan a long positions because still 30 minutes it can come back whatever it's possible, because if you see daily, see this is a wide, maybe it can take rejection from these levels also, right?
I mean, I've drawn a few lines and it's just crossed one of them just now.
In 5 minutes.
Yeah, it's got another 4 minutes of that. It's
This
crossed
is
that
how
line, trend line.
did
I had the trend line from the bottom up.
did you
From,
draw like this?
yeah, I think I drew it from 1 hour.
1 hour,
No,
okay.
the other way around, from the bottom up. If you go to
Okay.
1 hour and draw a big trend line. I have 2 or 3 trend lines going around that area. It's just crossed one of them.
Did you draw like this?
Let me see. The one I have, 1 minute.
Okay. You can share a chart in group also, sir. At least they'll get idea. If you have any chart, you can just share there.
I drew it from the 24th of Wednesday, 7th of August.
Okay. Maybe you took this or yeah, you better will wait, sir. We'll wait.
Yeah.
Monday, yeah, we'll wait. We'll get a clear direction. And the problem is, I told you, right? See, I'll just remove this. So I last week you was not there here in meeting. So what we realized here, when we see a super narrow or narrow, the market is sideways. So we identified that why so we have a narrow, but market is still it's not moving. So later we saw that what we was expecting here to be a volatile week, we saw already last week, but still it was a white trend X. So my point, when we see a good move last week, when we see a white trend X, there are high chances next week will be there sideways next week. For that reason, we are not. I didn't focus any trades here, sir. But we'll wait for today. Let's see what will happen, or wait for to close this candle.
Wow. I was
Yeah.
80% down. Now I'm break even.
Okay, very nice.
I saved my ass. I'm back. I have some money.
Mr. P, can we have a look at the next one? I think Zora's picked Pendle, Pendel, as a narrow and didn't move last week, which I think is a good, she's learning from you and teaching us.
Okay.
Narrow last week and it didn't move last week, so maybe we can expect fireworks this week. I don't know. Let's have a look at what you think. Thanks for the question, Zora. Appreciate that.
Pendle.
Pendela. Correct?
No E. DLE. Like a pendle. DLE.
DLE. Pendle. L for
PEN.
Lima, E for Edward.
Correct?
That's it. Got it. Yeah. No E at the end, I don't think.
Because
That's it. That's
they wrote-
PNDLE. No, so L for, so take away the last two letters, please.
So I'll tell you, sir. See, ma'am wrote in chart here. I'm just seeing and typing. You can
I
spell.
see. Okay, fair enough. Maybe we've all got it wrong. So go ahead.
Yeah, she wrote PENDELEUSDT.P. I don't know. Same thing she wrote. You can check message
No, I
there.
think it's just a typo, Mr. P.
Okay, you please tell me from beginning, sir. P.
It's Papa Echo November.
Wait. Come slow, sir.
Echo.
E for Echo. E for Echo.
P for okay.
Yeah.
E for Echo.
Okay.
N for
N
November.
for Noddy.
Okay.
D for
Delta.
David.
Okay.
L for Lima.
Okay.
E for Edward.
Edward. USDT, right?
Yeah.
Oh. This. Same. So like we were seeing the emails are told, right? The same exactly. We got bullish candle even here also. We'll
trade one, you can trade them all, I suppose, Mr. P?
Correct.
Lots of things.
So we'll wait still 24 minutes. We'll see how it reacts. Let it close above this. After this, we can try. But the daily pivot is very important. See, now you can see exactly the same chart. What we are seeing, it looks like same chart. Only one day we should wait. We'll get a very good direction maybe from tomorrow. Yeah, see the same.
Thank you. Thank you. The next one on there is Bonabia Benel. How about Jasmy, Jasmy? I think that's an old favorite of ours.
Jasmine.
Jasmy.
Okay, already I have here. Let me see some second.
Yeah. By the way, while you're finding it, somebody's asked whether these are now recorded and shared. Clearly,
Yes.
they're being recorded. Are they shared as well in Discord, Mr. P?
Yeah, sir.
There you go, Carlito. You have your answer there. You can now relax, go to your work, and strategically plan your day.
Okay, H1. So this is your we have one zone, sir. You can look this. It's taking a rejection like almost maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 hours, and it's
Right.
taking a rejection, and the same place we have a weekly trend X weekly. Just wait to break out this. Continue for a short. If it's coming down, if not, if it's going up, just wait. The candle close above these levels, the recent levels. 1 second. Uh, Yeah, this is the only level we can say this is a strong level, because see, if candles are staying at this place, it means this is a strong support, and we have a rejection at the same place. We'll wait. If it's going up, then wait for a retest to look a long positions. If I see a 200 EMA, yeah, candles are below 200 EMA. Okay, now we have a two opportunity here. If these candles break this level, wait for a retest this level, then continue for a short positions. Okay.
Thank you, Mr. P.
Yes.
There is a one for people. People, just as
Yeah.
in one person, many people. I don't know if you need it. I can help you with that.
I have already, sir.
Great.
People University. Yeah. So now, yeah. See, wait to break this level, sir. If candle is closing above this level, 1 second.
They all look very similar, don't they, Mr. P?
Yeah, sir. But here at least we can understand this level, see, sir. The
Ah,
recent,
okay.
yeah. Wait for a breakout. We can continue from this area. 1 second. Yeah. Let's give us breakout. Then we'll continue from this area.
And we're looking at the 1 hour chart. So we're looking for
Yes.
the breakout and the retest on the 1 hour, as I think we've discussed before. And I think the reason we do it on the 1 hour, Mr. P, this is the first one we've recorded. Do you want to just go over that? Because some people may not have been to these sessions and they may want the recording. So why do we now look at the 1 hour for the breakout and retest on crypto?
Yeah. So, the reason why we started this session, sir, Monday we'll get two things here. See, I can analyze a chart and I can give them good charts. Like if this level breaks, then you can look at short positions from this area. Okay. So one is a chart analysis. Second one, why we are looking a 1 hour Monday before taking any good tokens to identify to trade entire week, we should see in 1 hour, sir, because the weekly we got a new weekly trend X, correct? So I told previous sessions also to take a trades from tomorrow. Like I'm looking at trades from tomorrow in 5 minutes. So today I should be ready to find the best tokens, which are the best tokens. So we can take only those tokens which is a super narrows, and we have some conditions. It should be not a volatile week, and it should be in 1 hour. For that reason, I am looking a 1 hour. And now these levels, everyone will they'll get idea. Okay, these are levels. We can look a short or long. From tomorrow, start looking in 5 minutes. Only on Monday, fresh new week trend X, we should look of 1 hour.
Great, thank you,
Yeah,
Mr.
sir.
P. The next one, sorry, I just got distracted my phone. The next one is, I don't know how many more of these do you want to take, Mr. P? Unlimited? Next one is Super, Super. I'm just going in order off the chat, guys. So if your coin hasn't come up yet, I think I'm going in the order of the chat. I think I've covered everything up to now. If I haven't, I apologize. let me know in the chat and I'll bring it up next if I've missed it after I check it is in order.
Now, this last week we have this is not a narrow trend X, sir. This is wide trend X.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks, Francisco. Did you have a particular, if you have anything, but we'll jump this one and go to the next one. But if you have any reason for super that Mr. P should pay attention to, just let us know. I think maybe he was looking just for zones and charting it, maybe even though it's a wide X. Should we just do that quickly for him?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm doing that already, sir.
He's a loyal listener for you. He's one of your fan base.
Thank you, sir. So I'm just looking. Give me a second, sir. Yeah, you can look along positions. 1 second. Yeah, this is area, sir. You can look along positions. I'll just hide this indicator. See, we got a breakout here, here also, here, correct? So now wait for these two levels. Because one is we got a breakout. Second, we have the same place, we have weekly trend X. So now why I mark this white lines, we can see we have some more rejections here. And before going up, we have a rejection even here also. For that reason, I'm using a white line. And this, at the same place, we have a center pivot, a weekly pivot. So you wait to come these levels to look along positions. And candles are about 200 EMA also.
Thank you, Mr. P. Thank you.
Yes.
Hopefully that helps, Francisco. Get prepared. Next one I've got here is it's maybe a comment, but maybe FTM. F for Freddy, T for Tommy, M for Mother.
PM, USDT.
Weekend action Saturday. It was below weekly and had a narrow daily, but it skyrocketed up. And yesterday, boof, down. I would like to understand what happened as I was looking for a short below weekly. So really a bit of analysis of for Toby who was looking for something and it didn't quite work out for him. So it shot up on Friday, dumped on Saturday, dumped on Sunday. He would like to understand how he could maybe see that in the charts in the future to be aware of it. If there was any telltale signs. I think that's right, Toby. If I'm wrong, sorry, type a different question in, but I'm trying to interpret what you might be looking at based on this.
This is see, sir, this FTM USDT, right? The daily time frame I'll show you. So this is the level we got a breakout. Okay, this is the level we got a good breakout because this is higher time frame. So now, yeah, so now we cannot take a trade again with a daily time frame for a now. So just come into the 1 hour. So here you will find the trade. See now 1 hour, why I take, why I try to find the trades. At least we'll get a weekly targets. Okay, at least we'll get a weekly target. See, now we have one zone. This is the zone. The reason we got a breakout, but still the retest was a pending. Now we got a retest. Now let it close the bullish candle. We have 14 minutes. When it comes to displays, we'll find entries and you can go for a trade. If not, if it's fall like this, then we have a weekly trend X to protect that that zone, correct? So if it's close below this, now this area will be a strong resistance or a supply when it breaks this, correct? Now we'll wait for this and 200. Yeah, we are below 200. You got, I think you understood. This is our area, key level for a long positions, but we need a confirmation. Now the candle is a very, like we can see a bullish engulf here. Let's wait for a close to the candle. Once if it close, let it go, and when it come for a retest, then we can plan a trade with a 1 hour candlestick pattern. If not, if it's not coming today, then tomorrow the daily trend-X will help you to find the trades. Just look where are the daily trend-X. From daily trend-X, you can go for a long positions tomorrow.
Right. And Mr. P, just to
Yeah.
point out, I think Toby's question was also, I mean, that I'm sure it's going to help Toby, but he's also looking for the bounce. And I think I can just see it bouncing off the weekly X as well, just there yesterday. So Toby, I don't know if that would have given you a clue that it might bounce on there, be aware, get ready. And there was a little candlestick pattern there. There was like a rejection candle by the weekly X. So that might have given you an indication that a short, if you wanted to go short at that level, be aware of it. But I don't know, that helps. Thank you, Mr. P. That was amazing. And the next one is Popcat from Art John. If I'm saying your name right, so excuse me. If I'm not, Popcat. Popcat. I think that's one of Seth's favorites from last week or week
Correct.
before that.
I was in that session.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I know. You were sneaking in and you were taking all the alpha from Seth to double up your experience and your skill.
No, sir. That the Zoom we was getting issue with Zoom. I think you remember.
Yes, I
Yeah.
do. And while you're looking at that, somebody's asking me to expand my singing repertoire, and I told them I couldn't subject anyone to anything worse than I've already subjected them to. So that's probably not on the cards recently.
This is a head and shoulders, sir.
Ah, that looks good.
Daily time frame and H4. We'll see. This is not like it's not bearish flag exactly. We'll wait in 1 hour. We'll check in 1 hour. The last week. Yeah. See, now this level is very important. I'll show you here, Popcat. How can we mark the zone? See here, we got a rejections multiple times. Can you see?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Very clear. Thank you.
this level is very important. Wait for a breakout, then retest, then we can try a long positions once we get a breakout retest. Now, how to find this trade? The new trend X, the new daily trend X. The daily trend X, if candles are closing above, if it's become sideways, then tomorrow you will get a daily trend X somewhere here. I'm just giving you example. The trend X, you just try a long positions, daily trend X. This is very important zone for this week. You can see it's very clean and neat chart. This level is very important. Let me check weekly. Yeah, correct. This level is very important to enter the trade. Maybe you'll get a tomorrow entry or today itself if you wait for a breakout. Once if it see breakout, then retest, we can try or long positions from these areas.
So, Mr. P, are you then discounting the head and shoulders you saw on the 4 hour?
Daily time frame.
Are you leaving that because you're looking for a breakout going long, even though the head and shoulders
yes. This is 1 hour time frame, sir. This is 1 hour time frame. Target will be only this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Hopefully that's clear. It wasn't clear to me. And by the way, when you say zones are obvious, they're obvious as soon as you mark them up. They're very obvious. So when you haven't marked them up. So Popcat done. Well done. Hopefully everyone's happy with Popcat who wanted it. John. Next one we have my singing request. Not doing that at the moment.
I'll add one more thing, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, if Popcat comes down, don't worry. See, just we have weekly trend X, right? Just wait, let it come down. retest. We can jump retest. See, if you start marking the zone, you'll understand so many things. Again, you wait for this level. See, now if I start marking 10 zones, you will get confused. This is the first zone. If candles coming down, now your second zone is ready here.
Okay.
Let it break this. You add a weekly trend X. Now this is your trade to join. Like Monday, it will
Amazing.
be always Monday, it will be a center of somewhere, a zone. You wait, we'll get breakout, we'll get a good entry, maybe tomorrow. Wait for this. So now I don't want to add this. Wait for to come down. We'll wait. Okay. Yeah, that's
Thanks, Mr. P. There's a couple more. You're interested? So somebody's saying a few others are breaking and reacting, but yeah, we've seen them all react. You can see them on screen, and PopCat as well. They're all reacting. Solana's the next one we got from Maz Mohammed. Please, Solana. I like to look at Solana as well, so I'll get my vote as well. If I've missed any, please let me know and I'll go back and check. But I think I'm marking them off as I'm taking them.
sir. Can you spell, sir? SOL.
SOL. So
Okay.
S for sugar, O for Oscar, L for Lima.
Okay. SOL USDT.
That's it. I don't think your screen's changing, Mr. P. I don't
No,
know.
no.
Maybe it's just
SOL USDT dot P. Correct.
yeah, if you like. Yeah, whatever you're used to.
Every token looks same, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
I think it seems that generally, and there was obviously
Yeah.
a couple spotted today that didn't look the same, but yeah, generally they seem to be following Bitcoin, don't they? A
Correct.
little bit.
Correct. Bitcoin. It's following the Bitcoin. Same level which we were showing, the same level.
So,
So
Mr. P,
weekly,
somebody
yeah.
spotted in the chat. Just thinking about this. Somebody spotted in the chat
Mhm.
that because the coins follow Bitcoin, they've
Correct.
started trading Bitcoin
Mhm.
because if everyone's following Bitcoin, they might as well just trade the master, if you like. And just your thoughts on that. I don't know if you've actually looked at the risk reward and the reward to it. Would you? My gut feeling is you would get a bigger return by trading the smaller coins
Correct.
because they're cheaper.
Mm.
But is that would you say that's true, or do we need to test that? Because if they're all following Bitcoin, logically they should make we should make the same profit. But I think because they're cheaper, the smaller coins make more. Is that fair analysis, or is that completely wrong?
No, that's fair, sir. See, if you told right, there are cheaper price like to trade. We have to practice first in these coins. When we'll
Yeah.
become perfect, we can jump into the other tokens like you say like BTC and all. And
Yeah.
when like what I do, I personally make a chart. What this chart showing me?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's makes sense, sir. If we do
Thank
those
you.
kind of analysis, yes.
Great. Thank you. Rajinder's come up, Rajinder always comes up with gems. Jupiter, please. Is it
1 second.
JUP, Rajinder? I'm not sure if the code is JUP. Yeah, JUP. Yeah, J for yeah, that's it. No, just JUP USDT.
USDT.
That's it. Got that. So that's ticked off.
Same, sir.
Same.
Yeah.
Okay.
Same. So at least we have a clear direction here. This direction is very clear, and
Yeah.
this is a super duper narrow. So simple.
Yeah.
Yeah. So now you wait for these levels. If you want, see if candles coming down, and then we can go for this. If not, again, right? Same. Wait for this breakout. So you can clearly see this is a W pattern, double bottom, everything. Wait for this.
Amazing.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Rajinder, hopefully that helped. XRP is next. XRP.
XRP.
Rajinder's saying Jupe just shot up a lot. You can see how Mr. P is completely emotionless about the shot up a lot. He has a different perspective on stuff, right? He doesn't get emotional about the shooting up and shooting down. He just sees it as numbers on a chart, which is interesting.
Yeah, what we can see here, sir, reverse head and shoulder pattern. Just mark your chart in this way. Take one these levels, because you can see here we have a rejection. Okay, so once if candle close above this level, then wait for a retest. So at that point, you can see a very clear, this is a reverse head and shoulder. So now still it's pending. Okay, now it's still pending one more shoulder. This is a possible, we can see.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. I don't know how long. Do you want to carry on going, Mr. P? Are you all right?
Yeah, we have candlestick patterns, sir, and you have a session, right? Mindset session.
Don't worry about me. I'll jump off this and go to mine. If anyone, I'm sure they'll stay here. Honestly, I think people will rather have your stuff than mine. So I can cancel mine and just tell them it's Mr. P's running his. So I'm happy with that. If it's up to you how you want to go, Mr. P. I can change my times for next week for a different time if you're going to go long.
I'm sorry, sir. Actually, I was not knowing when I posted that. Later, I saw in Discord that you have 1:30, like 3 minutes still. If you, I can change my timings for candlestick pattern. Not a problem for me.
Take a vote from the audience. They're your audience.
Yeah, please.
Everyone wants Mr. P to stay. I think you should just put PS, P stay. And if you want to rearrange it.
You please tell the complete, sir. Candlestick pattern. They don't know why we are saying to stay.
So
that
he's
is
going to talk about candlestick patterns. Is this different to
yes,
the candlestick pattern trainings you do on a Thursday?
correct.
Different, yeah.
The same candlestick pattern, sir. What we usually speak in easy
Yeah, I
algo
think
training.
everyone's voting for you to stay, Mr. P. So let's just carry on with your candlestick patterns. I think it's going to be more valuable for the traders here. I'll just apologize in the group that I don't think anyone's going to come to that. So there's no point in me turning up there. So I'll just stay here with you if you don't mind, and I'll
Please, sir.
I'll
You should
just
stay.
explain to them that Mr. P's running candlestick training, so we'll do mine next Monday. No worries. Go ahead, Mr. P. You carry on. Do you want to do more? Do you want to do more coins, or do you want to go to your candlestick pattern? What do you want to do, Mr. P? It's your show.
Yeah, we will start candlesticks. Already it's 1 hour, right? It's 12:30 to 1:30. You can see my timings here. So yeah, Emmer, sir, you was telling something. I'm sorry, sir. You can please.
Yeah, I think the 1 hour is up, so there might be some trades that you might be interested in. Let's see what happens in 1 hour, and the 1 hour is going to come to close in 30 seconds.
Okay,
So
let me see.
maybe there are some things that might be interesting.
Yeah. So well, let's check. Yeah, you should we should wait to come back to this zone, sir. This can see we got a breakout, right?
We can't see your chart at the
Okay.
moment. You see the candles.
This.
Yeah.
This and so we dislike what we decided, sir. See, last week itself, the Monday we are waiting to close somewhere. From Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, the next 4 days we are planning for a trades. Yeah, this now we got candle close. Now you should wait to come back to this zone, sir. This then from here you can look at long positions. Now there is no point to take directly long positions from here because there is no place to keep any stop losses, right?
I don't use stop loss.
So yeah, we'll start the candlesticks, sir. I want to show that because I'll tell you because it's recording, right? I'll explain why I'm showing these candlesticks. So yeah, welcome guys. We are just continuing this candlestick session here. This will be a same from every Monday. Okay, from every Monday it will be same. Okay, this is very first Monday, like we are starting this. I'll show you the candlestick pattern, what we usually see those candles to look a long positions or a short positions in smaller time frame in 5 minutes. Okay, so this we have some 4 candles for a long positions, 4 for a short positions. Okay, if you don't know about Trendex, you can you can go and check our old videos which we posted last week. And the next training about Trendex is Tuesday, tomorrow. You just go and check in events. Okay, Discord, you will get all details there with passcode. Okay, this is a first candle which we are looking a long positions from a support daily S1. Just I'll show you which is a daily S1. See, this what you are seeing, this is a previous day low and this is the daily S1. In these areas we are looking a long positions. Okay, on those areas we're looking a long positions. Now which is those candles? So first candle is a bullish engulfing. This candle is a bullish engulf. Now how it looks, you just go and I'll show you. So you can see this is a bullish engulf. Now we was looking in 1 hour, right? So the same candles we saw, the candle has closed a bullish engulf. It should be bigger than a previous. Now we have a different types of bullish engulf in market. We have some 2-3 different candles. So exactly we don't see these candles there. Sometimes we'll see the body will cover like this. These also a bullish engulf. I'll just quick show you in a real market. So you can see the candles. Now what we are seeing, this is a bullish engulf in 1 hour, right? This is 1 hour. I'm just showing you to take a trade in 5 minutes. I'm just showing you how it looks, a bullish engulf. This is also a bullish engulf. So now when it comes to a bullish engulf candle, so it should be near a support. It should be near support. Okay, we are not looking like anywhere somewhere in middle. If candles are coming, there is a no support. Then if you see a bullish candle, then that is invalid. It should come near a support. And if it's coming near support, then we are looking those 4 candles which we are learning now. Okay, this is a first candle, a bullish engulf. I'll share this PDF in group. Just you can go and check out there. Okay, so the second one is a morning star. So this candle is again, it's very important to understand when it comes to a long positions. See, just I'll show you a quick. I have a 1 second. I have PDF. Just show. I'll show you in. With 1 second. Give me a moment. Okay. See, guys. I'm just showing you the Trendex chart. See, we have when it comes to a long positions, we have a 2 area that we are looking a long positions. See, just try to understand. I don't ignore this spelling. Okay. So this is a weekly Trendex, correct? Now the first we are looking a long positions from a daily Trendex. If the candles are coming down, we are looking a long positions from this area. This is a previous day low and S1. And it should be a narrow Trendex. This is a narrow. We can see very clearly, correct? So between distance between previous day low and S1. Correct. So here we are looking a long positions. Okay. I'll just come back to the candlestick now. So now remember for every So now next what I'm showing the three candles, it's apply same for everything here. Okay, the second one is a morning star. So we can see a very clear how the morning star candle looks. We usually will wait to come near a support, then we'll wait. So how the candles looks, see one the red color candle, or sometimes we'll see a half body like this. So as soon as we see a doji, after that we should wait to one more candle, and it should be this green color, and this is the complete pattern. Now this is a morning star. So now how the trader should take entry, you should wait to close this candle. Once candle close, then our entry will be from this level, stop loss below support one or previous day low. Correct, it should be near support, then only we are executing this trade, and it should be nearby, at least like this. So assume that there is a support and previous day low, it should be nearby. Correct, if it's exactly near support, then it will be a great trade. Stop loss below this area, below this area. Okay, this is a morning star. So the third one is a bullish hammer. So the bullish hammer, again, it should be near a support or a daily trend X. Sometimes support will be here, I mean previous day low and S1. So any color, green or red. Once candle close like this hammer, so our trade, we are taking our trade from that. Stop loss below this candle. If some I'll show you the recent how I missed the trade. I told you, right? I'll show you. So now this is a hammer. You can see candles are coming near a trend X or support. Once we see these candle nearby support, then we are taking our trades, keeping our stop loss below this candle, and our target will be a daily trend X. Okay, I'll just show you quick my just now what I saw in my chart. 1 second. Okay, let me show the next candle, and I'll show you which trade I missed. So the last candle for a long positions, dragonfly doji. Here I just want to show you that we have two different type of dragonfly. So here there is a no wicks, and again any color doesn't matter, green or red. Okay, so we don't have any wicks here, but we have a wick here. So both are same, the dragonfly doji. If we see any nearby trend X, we can go for a trade. Stop loss below this candle. I'll just show you what I mean. See, so just now this I missed this trade. This is a dragonfly doji and near trend X, and you can see how the market went up. Correct. Now, why did I take this trade? Why not here? There is no confirmation. Correct. So how I'll get confirmation? It has to break any level. See, not only I'm talking about this, any token, any chart, anything. We need a breakout. Okay, we need a breakout, again retest. Now this is the breakout and this is the retest. So when I see the trend X is working same. I missed this trade actually, and you can see this trade, amazing. Only candlestick pattern took this so beautifully. Here I was taking my trade there, my first target done. I'll hold at least 20% to continue my trade. Stop loss below this candle or the center pivot, the center one. Below this you can keep your stop loss, and this is first target or second target. For every candlestick pattern, this is how it works. The first trade will be from these levels. I'll just keep, I'll use a PNL like this. This is our first trade. The second trade will be like this. If it's coming, yeah, this. So now simple. If it's coming here, then I'll try my trades from here. If not, if it's going back and retest, this is my trade. Correct. So here you should be very careful here, because sometimes it will see like this. Correct. Until we don't see any candlestick confirmation, so we are not entertaining or we are not taking any trades. Okay, this is a dragonfly doji, the same candle which I showed you. Okay, now any candle. So I'll just come back to the those 4 candles. So the first candle is a bullish engulf. The second candle is a morning star. The third candle is a bullish hammer. The fourth candle is a dragonfly doji. Just I'll show you how the like candles looks. We'll go any token 1 second. Okay. Just I'll observe how the candles looks. Okay. When it comes to long positions, we are looking only near support, right? Now this is a complete downtrend. Okay. Here. I'm just showing the candle. Okay. Try to understand how the candle looks. Now this is the hammer. Correct. So now there is a no support. If you mark the level now from here, now this is support. If I talk about zones, now this is support, right? If you know, right? If you start marking any levels here, now this is absolutely this support, and this is the hammer. Correct. The candlestick will show you which candle when it comes near support, then we need candlestick pattern. See, so beautifully we got hammer and you can see the move. I cannot say this is the hammer. So this is hammer. So from it's going here. No. Only from support. That will be a more accuracy, and that is how we are going to take the trades. This is a hammer. So I'll show you the morning star, how it looks, the morning star. So now this is the morning star. This is the pattern, right? This is the morning star. And again, this is the zone. After morning star, our trade will start from here. You can keep your stop loss below this recent low or below this candle. So target according to the trend X. So trade starts from this area. Once candle closed, we have to wait to close this candle. Okay, now the candlestick, what I showed you, those 4 exactly opposite candles are for a short positions. Now, when I say the short positions, just remember, we'll go back to the my TrendX PDF here. Yeah. So now just remember like this. When candles are below weekly, so here our trades, first trade will be from daily trend X. If candles are going above trend X, then R1 and previous day high. This is our area to look a short positions. Okay, I think you should understood. This is very easy concept. If you know, if you don't know trend X, tomorrow you can join that we have a trend X training. Okay, so this is a weekly trend X, and so this is how we look at short positions from daily trend X. Correct. So once if candles are going above trend X, then this is our area to look at short positions. So here we are looking these candles patterns, which I'm going to show you right now. Okay, so the first candle which you're seeing now, This is a bearish engulf candle. Correct? The candle should be big compared to previous, and it should be near resistance. Maybe a daily trend X, if maybe R1 and previous day high. There, if we see any candlestick pattern, these four, we can take a short positions once candle close above the resistance, we can keep our stop loss. Now this is how the bearish engulf looks. Okay, so this is the first candle. The second candles is evening star. So previous we was looking a morning star. Now this is a evening star. Correct. So here we are planning for a short positions. So I mentioned here very clearly evening star for a short confirmation. Correct, from resistance or maybe a daily trend X. Target trend X. Daily trend X is our target. First target always it will be there. If you're looking a trade from a support or resistance, the center will be our pivot, right? If it starts from here, this is our first target. If it's coming down from here, this is our first target. Okay. Okay. So the next candle is a shooting star. The shooting star is really a very important, because some people say that is, yeah, sorry, so some people say that is a inverted hammer. Correct. Sometimes we see a candlestick, I mean sometimes we see a wicks here, sometimes we don't see any wicks. Correct. So now how it looks in market, I'll just show you guys. See now, as soon as I opened, I saw something here. You can see this is a shooting star. Sometimes you see a small body. Correct. This is a shooting star. This is also shooting star. It should be near resistance, then only that is a valid. So now what is resistance? Just now I showed you, right? From R1 or, yeah. See, this is the shooting star. This is now R1. So you can see this. I'll just zoom it. Okay. Give me a moment. Yeah. You can look this. Correct. This green color candle which we are seeing, that is a shooting star. Now this is a evening star. So clearly we can see we got a doji and a red candle. Now this is a pattern, right? This is one pattern. So now this is a evening star. So just now we was seeing here. 1 second. This. It should be near resistance. I said, right? See, now this is the resistance. So our target is our trend X. See, this is our target. And this is how we are looking our trades. Now you can see this is evening star. This is a shooting star. Again, this is a evening star. Now, if you are seeing any evening star at this place is not valid. Here we are not looking any candlestick. It should be near resistance. Then only it will be valid. Correct? So this is how you should identify. This is how we are looking our trades. Okay, so now I showed you the shooting star. The last candle is gravestone doji. So here also you can see we have a two different types, correct? We don't have a wick here, we have a wick here. So both are same. So I was showing a dragonfly doji, it's just opposite direction. This is for a short. Usually we don't see these candles more. Usually, you know which candle I personally I see more: morning star, evening star, and shooting star. Yeah, bullish engulf and all. But the most times when it reaches resistance or support, we usually see those candles itself. I personally see those candles more in my market. So you can see this is so nice. See, if you start making a drawings, this is how you'll understand. Correct. See how they'll trap. So finally we got a bullish hammer here. Market went up. So I mean we should start marking the zones. You'll get so many like you'll understand how to execute the trade, what all candles we should see before taking any trades. Correct. Now this is a very important. See, now I'm showing 1 second. So you can see this here. So there is a no area. I don't know whether weekly we have something here. We got a shooting star top. Here I last week I told how to take this trade. Again, I'm going to show you. See here, you know how to take these trades if you are a downtrend. See here, even I sometimes I don't take any trades when I see, because this is above the level, right, above the resistance. Now it became support. So I wait, come back to the zone. So retest from here. I'll try to take a short positions, these areas, because here I have a area to keep stop loss again here. But here we don't know, right? See, to technically market, when we see a breakouts, correct? When you see the breakout, this is how it will start going up. Maybe I can get a trap here. So, but for better safe, what I do when I see such kind of pattern, so I wait to come back to the zone. Like assume market was it was sideways here. Finally, we got a breakout. So that was a fake breakout. So I'll wait, come back to the zone. So from these areas, again, I'll try for a short positions. This is what we saw here now. Okay, even you also, there is, we cannot take trade directly from these places because maybe it can a trap. It can go up again. So better we should wait, which it could be come back to the zone. Again, our trade starts. Okay. Yeah, this is a last candle which I showed, a gravestone doji. Okay, so I'll post, post this PDF. I already have PDF. You just go and see in announcement. You can download and you can look how it works. You take the printouts. You'll get many ideas how to identify the trend, what are the candles, whether it was working or no. You'll get idea. You just go and backtest with candlesticks, with Trendex. You'll find so many things there. Okay, so we was little fast today because we already we was analyzing chart, right? So my next session will be Tuesday, tomorrow, Thursday and Friday. There will give almost will be more than 1 hour, 1 hour 30 minutes. Okay, don't, if you are a new, please join there. We will talk a very detail about Trendex and candlestick pattern, everything. So today it was the day for analyzing the chart and candlestick. That's it. Then this is the first time we are doing in this time in UK session.
Pramod,
Yeah, sir.
you had an advertisement for a 3-day intensive course
Correct.
starting on 10th of August.
Correct.
South Africa. Is that today?
We already completed. This is third day. Today, third day, sir. Final day.
Oh, right. Sure. I missed it then.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, no problem, sir. No problem. So I am done. Gordon, sir, please take a mindset class. It will be great help for everyone because I got a personal message that they're joining your class and they really appreciated you. I don't want to miss that class, sir. Please take that. Mindset is very important. I think you should take that.
Okay, Mr. P, I'm just away from my desk at the moment. I'll go into the Zoom. The Zoom was already on there.
Okay.
I'll go into that Zoom and take the last 25, 35 minutes of it
Okay.
and see if we can get some headway in our mindset.
Yes.
So give me 5 minutes to get to my desk. I'm just finishing up a little chore I'm doing,
Mhm.
and then I'll be there. And yeah, guys, this was amazing. It was great for Mr. P to be live at this time. I think you all found some benefit from it. So, Mr. P, thanks a lot. And yeah, everyone is thanking you in the chat, and they voted for you to stay on, which is amazing. Mr. P, just so we have tomorrow,
Mhm.
are we going to do the same time? Because I need to for the next week. I just need to arrange my classes differently so they don't conflict with yours, because I never want them to conflict with yours, as you know.
I'll message you, sir. I'll ask Asit
Okay.
whether should I change
Yeah.
timings or what. I'll
No,
inform
no,
you.
I'm happy to change mine, because mine are less important than yours. So you just tell me what you want to do, and
Done.
I'll arrange myself around it. Is that okay?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah, I can either do mine before or after. It's fine. I don't. To me, yours is the stuff that people want to hear. Mine is just added salt and pepper on top, maybe, if that's even the right thing.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you, Mr. P. Have a great day. Thanks for staying so long and spending your time with us.
Thank you so much, sir. I want to show, guys, don't miss. Now we have Gordon sir's class mindset. It's really great. Many people sent me personal message. They said it's amazing. When you are, you can. Are you sharing the link, sir? Please, can you?
I'll
Somebody's
put it in
asking
here, but it's in the Discord as well. I'll put it in, and just so that you have it here as well. That it's in Discord. If you can't find it here for whatever reason, then it's in Discord as well. Okay. Give me
Okay.
5 minutes. I'll be there. So everyone should just be able to turn up as and when, and use yourselves for the next 5 minutes while I just clear up here and get back to my desk.
Okay, done, sir.
Cheers, Mr. P. Have a great day, and
Thank
we'll
you.
speak later. Bye.
Bye bye. Take care, guys.
Thank you,
Bye
Pramod.
bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye bye.
See you soon.
See you soon. Bye, man.